I respond him, and I interrupt. And I explain, but he not understand.
You respond him or respond to him?
Oh, this is where conversation becomes real. Because now, we are not just speaking alone. We are interacting, respond, react, continue, interrupt, explain, clarify. These are conversation flow words.
And you can hear Emma. She is in a conversation, but the flow is breaking. She is trying to respond, explain, continue, but the structure is not supporting her.
And when conversation flow breaks, communication feels awkward, not because of vocabulary, but because interaction is not smooth.
Yeah, it's not just what you say, it's how you move through the conversation.
All right, I'm Zavara, and today we fix something very real: how to manage a conversation. This is day 29, and today is about conversation flow. This is where your English becomes interactive, not just speaking, but responding, reacting, continuing, because real communication is not one person talking, it's movement.
I'm Oren, and yeah, this is a big step, because now you are part of the conversation. Let's feel these words as actions in conversation. Respond. This means you reply. I respond to him. I respond to him. React. This means your reaction. I react quickly. I react quickly. Continue. This means you keep speaking. I continue speaking. I continue speaking.
Next, interrupt. This means you stop someone. I interrupt him. I interrupt him. Explain. This means you give more detail. I explain clearly. I explain clearly. Clarify. This means you make something clear. I clarify my idea. I clarify my idea. Notice something. These are conversation actions. They control the flow.
Yeah, this is how conversations move.
Now, this is the key. Conversation flow depends on connection. You don't say, I respond him. You say, I respond to him, because some verbs need connection words. And also, conversation is not just speaking. It's reacting, continuing, explaining.
And if your flow is broken, your conversation feels unnatural. Smooth flow makes conversation easy. All right, now let's step into that moment again, and this time, listen carefully to how the conversation flows. Not just what Emma says, but how she reacts, responds, and continues.
Yeah, imagine this. You are in a real conversation. Someone is talking to you. You need to respond, react, explain, clarify. And if your flow is not smooth, the conversation feels awkward. Just listen.
I respond him quickly, but he not react.
You respond him?
Yes, and I interrupt him. And I explain, but he don't understand.
Okay.
I continue speak, but I not clarify my idea.
All right.
I try explain again, but I don't respond properly.
I understand, but your sentences feel a bit unclear.
All right, let's fix this together and make the conversation flow natural. Emma said, I respond him quickly, but he not react. Yeah, this needs a small adjustment. A more natural way would be, I respond to him quickly, but he doesn't react.
Then, I interrupt him, and I explain, but he don't understand. We improve it. I interrupt him, and I explain, but he doesn't understand.
Then, I continue speak, but I not clarify my idea. We fix it clearly. I continue speaking, but I don't clarify my idea.
Then, I try explain again, but I don't respond properly. We make it natural. I try to explain again, but I don't respond properly.
And this is the key. Conversation needs flow, response, reaction, explanation, clarification.
I respond to him quickly, but he doesn't react.
Okay.
I interrupt him, and I explain, but he doesn't understand.
All right.
I continue speaking, but I don't clarify my idea.
That makes sense.
I try to explain again, but I don't respond properly.
Now I understand you clearly.
Now you can feel the flow, smooth, connected.
Yeah. Now the conversation moves naturally. All right, your turn. Manage the conversation. I respond clearly. I respond clearly. I react quickly. I react quickly. I continue speaking. I continue speaking. I explain clearly. I explain clearly. I clarify my idea. I clarify my idea. I don't interrupt. I don't interrupt.
All right, let's bring this into real life. Imagine you are in a conversation. Before, you speak, but you don't respond properly. You interrupt. You don't clarify, and the conversation feels broken. But now you say, I respond clearly. I explain. I clarify. And suddenly, the conversation flows. I remember this very clearly. I was once in a conversation, and I kept speaking, but not responding. I didn't react properly. I didn't clarify my ideas, and the conversation felt awkward. And then I changed something small. I started listening, responding, explaining clearly, and everything changed. And that's when I understood. Conversation is not speaking. It's flow.
Yeah, and that's the shift. Not just talking, but interacting.
All right, let's take a second. Before today, your conversation felt broken.
Now, it feels smooth and connected.
Today, you can now manage a conversation clearly and naturally. This is real communication.
Smooth, natural, interactive.
See you in day 30.